It's on Fanny and Page. I mean Fanny and Kings Highway.
I tore the church up. Why hit them churches like that, man? They destroyed them.
They roof over there. Church.
Can we get up?
The church is destroyed. They whole roof, everything is in the front yard.
Church sticking together though. All of them sticking together. Like it came through here, no?
Yeah, told the other side of the street up. It shot straight down the middle of this street. Look at that tree. That mug still look like it's gonna fall.